Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a quick healthy breakfast, and we only need just 3 ingredients for this healthy breakfast, and I bet you will so love the taste. And also, if you are pregnant, this is a very good remedy for morning sickness. While I was pregnant, that I couldn't eat, my morning sickness was severe, but someone introduced it to me, and I want to share it with you guys. This is a very good and healthy breakfast if you want to live a healthy life. We need our strawberries. I'm using 7 strawberries, bananas, 1 banana, and Greek yogurt. I will blend all together. I didn't add water to it. I'll blend it together and you will see the magic. Tastes so yummy. Try this out guys, and leave your comment at the comment section and let me know how it feels, how the taste is. It is so healthy. My family love this and I hope you will enjoy this. See you in my next video. Bye.